Super Easy Drawings.
Hello everyone, and welcome to the Super Easy Drawings channel. Today we are going to draw kids, a boy and a girl. Let's start drawing. At first I am going to draw the little boy. I start with his cute eyes, his nose, then I draw his smiling mouth. I continue with his hair and face like this. Then I draw the rest of his hair and his 2 ears. Then I continue with his body. I draw his arms, his hands, then his legs, and shoes. Onto his long sleeve shirt, I draw a simple car. Now I'm going to draw a cute girl next to him. I start with her cute eyes, her nose, then I draw her smiling mouth and her face. Then I draw a ribbon into her hair. And her ponytail onto this side. Then I draw her body. And she is holding the boy's hand. Then I draw her legs and her sandals. Finally, I draw a heart onto her dress. Awesome! Now I'm going to use this black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's start coloring. I'm going to color the boy first. I use this cream marker for his skin. Red for his mouth. Then I color his hair with this darker brown marker. For his shirt, I'm going to use yellow, then light green. His jeans are going to be blue. For his shoes, I use this dark green marker. I color the car on his shirt red, blue. Great! Now let's color the girl. I color her skin cream. Red for her mouth. Then I use this lighter brown marker for her hair. I color the ribbon pink. Her dress is going to be light purple. And I color the heart on it purple. For her socks, I use light purple. Her shoes are pink. Then I use purple for the hearts on them. If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.